Hi there, my name is Bayan Flaherty from Independent Building Advice. We're a completely unique business where we help people build better homes. We're called Independent Building Advice because we give independent building advice to people. We're also known as IBA. Now what we're all about is we work for you as opposed to the builders. So we work for your best interest to get the best results for you. We give you unbiased advice with design, with which builder to choose, with layouts, inclusions, process, the whole thing to make sure that you have a great experience. There are so many people and so many stories that we hear from people that have signed up with the wrong builder or got the wrong information or just don't know what they're doing and need help, and they want to have a great experience because this is their home. This is a major purchase for them and they want to have a great experience. So who do you turn to? Who do you get help from? Who do you get the right advice from? Well, that's what we're all about. We've got 20 plus years experience. We've worked everywhere from consulting to senior management. Some of our people that work for us have building licenses, and we give you the information that's best for you. We start off by designing the home that we think is going to help you. So we talk to you about your lifestyle. We talk to you about, do you like entertaining? Do you like having people over? Do you like watching movies? Do you have young kids, old kids? Yeah, are you downsizing? Are you demolishing and building? Do you want to build a farmhouse? We ask you all these questions. But then we tailor the home to suit you. We, like say you have young kids, we'll recommend you have your bedrooms near the young kids. If you want to have older kids, we'll recommend you have your bedrooms away from the kids. We want to make sure that, if you do a lot of outdoor entertaining and barbecues, let's have the kitchen off the al fresco and have an indoor-outdoor sort of feel. So the outdoor al fresco area becomes another room for you. We give you design advice tailored for you, but we design the home away from the builder so we know it's been expertly done by a group of designers and architects, and we make sure that home is looking amazing for your lifestyle. But best of all, we design the home so we don't blow your budget. We pack it full of designer features like raking ceilings and skillion roofs and things like, skylights to make the home look wonderful, but we also know what things cost. We know how to design the home efficiently. We know how to make the home practical so it actually functions properly for you. We take into account energy efficiency as well as solar orientation. We make sure that the home has a beautiful light and outlay from the home. If you've got views, we make sure that you've got views of the swimming pool or views of the ocean, or depending on what you've got, a river or lake or park. We make sure that home is amazing. Then when we take that out to builders, we shortlist the right builders for you. We make sure that the builders that we're going to approach are going to give you the service and meet the expectations that you're expecting for your home. And by doing that, when we shortlist the builders, we'll actually help you talk to the builders, tender the home out to them, and we'll actually help you negotiate the right price for you. But we look beyond price. We look at services. How many homes are they looking after? Are they going to give you construction time guarantees? Are they going to make sure you're going to get the attention you deserve for your home? And then we look at inclusions. Are they going to give you the best inclusions for your house? When you've done all that and we shortlisted them, we're going to make a recommendation of what we think is the best builder for you. And then you can decide, is that the best builder? Do you agree with us or do you want your own choice? And then from there, once we've got that being, we'll negotiate, and then you decide which builder you want to go with, and we go with that builder. And we stay with you right through the whole process. We're going to stay you through the working drawings, the contract signings. We're going to stay you during the construction process as that third-party advisor. So you can give us a call at any time or email us or catch up with us, sit down, tell us your problem, tell us your concerns, and we'll make sure you have a great experience. But if we're truly doing our job properly, those problems should come up very rarely because we've done everything right first up. So we avoid those problems, so those problems don't occur, and you're just sitting along going, wow, this is actually really easy. I can't believe how easy this is, because we've taken care of it, because we know what's coming, and that comes from having industry experience. To some people, you might be thinking, this sounds really expensive. It's not. A lot of our costs are actually of no cost to you. We just get referrals from particular people or builders and that. So we actually don't have any upfront costs. There's some options that do cost money, but depending on what service you want to choose. But what we do, we just start off with a chat or an email or phone call. We do recommend catching up or having a Zoom chat, just talking to you about what you're trying to achieve. We talk to you about, and we'll give you information about hidden costs, time frame, what's involved, some ideas about your home. If you take away, have a think about and see if this is for you. If it is, awesome. If it's not, totally understand. We're just here to help you build a better home because we're passionate about people having a great experience building a house, because we think everybody can. It's not that hard if you get the right help from the start. Want to chat to us? Reach out to us. Thanks very much.